Hello guys, and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll be exploring a new string modification method named replace. Here's the syntax of the replace method. This method checks the current string, and upon encountering a substring that matches the old value parameter, replaces it with a new value parameter. If no match is found, a new string identical to the current string is returned. For example, if we want to replace all occurrences of the substring is with was, we can utilize the replace method. By providing is as the old value parameter and was as a new value parameter, the resulting string would be her name was Emma, she was 18. It's worth noting that this method also accepts char type parameters. For example, if we pass the underscore as the old char and the dash as a new char, we can utilize the replace method to replace all underscores with dashes. Now let's dive into VS Code and show you some examples. Okay, here we have a string variable. To replace occurrences of the word fox with cat, we can utilize the replace method by providing fox as the old value parameter and cat as a new value parameter. Let's display the result in the terminal and see the result. As you can see, we get the expected result. Alright, let's show you another example, this time using char type parameters. First, let's declare a string variable. Now, let's replace the character A with C by specifying A as the old char and C as the new char. Okay, let's display the result in the terminal. Run the application to see what happens. As you can see, we get the expected result. Okay, done. See you in the next lecture.